In this video I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. We start on our Facebook main homepage, and to sell on Facebook Marketplace, the first step is to go to the top where our Marketplace icon is located on the center, and we press on it. Now that we arrived to this page, the next step is to go to the top where it says Selling, and we click there. Here what we have to do now is to go to the top where the blue button labeled Create Listing is located, and we press on it. Here in the panel that appears at the bottom, we have to select any option: one item, vehicle, home for sale or rent, or sale event. In my case, one item, and I press on it. Now in this page, first we have to go to the top and add some photos, so I click where it says Add Photos. Now as you can see, our camera roll automatically opens, and here I'm going to sell a keyboard, so I select the photo of the keyboard and I press on the next text at the top right. Now where it says title, I'm going to write keyboard, and then below where it says price, we're going to set the price, in my case 30 euros. Then where it says category, as you can see, it is automatically filled, and below where it says condition, we have to click on this arrow on its right to select the condition of the keyboard. We go to the panel at the bottom, and here we have to select if it is new, used like new, used good, or used third. In my case, used good. Then at the bottom where it says description, if we want, we can add some descriptions. For example, white keyboard, I'm going to write. And then we have to scroll down where it says listing options. And here, as you can see, we have an option that it says hide from friends. And if we want, we can turn it on so that this listing doesn't show to our friends. Then we just have to go to the top right, click on publish, and that's everything.